Alright y'all, so I'm going to try to do another style over my hair. Now I haven't done too many styles over my locks since I've been locked. I've been locked for 3 years. I think I've only done 2 styles over my locks. But I kind of am in the mood for something different, so we're going to try out a style. I'm thinking about doing like some bohemian or boho type of jumbo braids. So let's see how that goes. Okay, what I'm going to do first is spray my hair and my scalp with some water and then put some oil on my scalp, and just so I can add a little bit more moisture into my hair before I start to put the extra hair in. Okay, since that is all worked in, I'm going to start to pre-section my hair to make it easier to do. Okay, so I do have everything parted out. And I'm gonna be using this as a guide for my braids. Alright, so I had to do some on my own before I recorded it because I had to learn how to do it, but this is how the first 2 came out. And if y'all looking for a good arm workout, just do your hair. Still braiding. Okay, so we're down to the last braid, and I wanted to show you guys what I was doing. So what I did was I started off with braiding the base of my hair, and then I add in 1 strand. And then I braid it down like maybe 2 times. And then I add in another strand. And then I braid that down to the end of my hair. And then I feed in my 3rd strand. Braid down to just about the end and you put a rubber band on it. Now we comb out the end in the rollers. And now we're gonna crochet in our curly pieces to make it pop. Alright, so this is 2 days later. And this is what we got. I think it turned out so good. I love the curls.